Alright, I don't know if you'll be able to see on this crappy video, but here's the walker. That's the hammer locked back. If I push the hammer back further, it will lock the cylinder in the proper position. I don't know if that actually shows you anything or not. Okay. And the Patterson. So, sorry, that wasn't far enough, but you can see that the cylinder doesn't ever come all the way around. That's as far back as the hammer will go. And the cylinder isn't locked yet. But it seems like the cylinder is working properly, the cylinder notch or whatever it's called. Okay, so this is the third model Dragoon. So you didn't really hear a notch, but that the hammer's not locked, is locked back. So if I push the hammer back further, it over rotates the cylinder. And that one, you can see that the cylinder isn't quite in position yet, but the hammer is locked. But if I push the hammer back further, I don't know, that's probably not a good idea either. So, and the latch isn't engaged. As you can see, I can rotate the cylinder with the hammer back. And then another thing is, probably because the latch isn't working, but when you pull the trigger, if you happen to get it lined up and you pull the trigger, the cylinder releases and allows it to rotate to the right as the hammer falls. So I don't know if you were able to see with this crappy video or not, but maybe that helps.